Guys, for the first time, I'm introducing to you a farm in Karj, Riyadh for your weekend afternoon promenade. Here, you can enjoy picking strawberry fruits, and after that, if you want, you can ask them to make you a fresh strawberry shake. This is the Wathana Farm here in Karj, Riyadh. So this is the gate and this is where you're going to park your car. Since this is the first time that I'm introducing a farm, I'm featuring a farm here in Cards. This is also my first visit to this farm. Now walk with me as I show you around so that you will know what are the things that you will enjoy here. By the way guys, it has an entrance fee of 20 reals per adult. And for the kids below 5 years old are free. And also according to the staff, the family drivers are also free. This is a farm, dates farm. They have strawberry farm. And then you come to this place. There is a coffee shop. They have all the facilities that you need for you to enjoy your bonding with your family or friends. Now let's go inside the strawberry greenhouse and bear with me with this noise because they are using the industrial fan. This is to maintain the temperature that the strawberry plant needs inside the greenhouse. Here, as usual, like in any other strawberry farm, you have to pay 25 reals and then they will give you a bucket plus scissor, and then you will proceed to the strawberry plants for you to pick the fruits that you want to pick. Do not be surprised, by the way, if you see that the strawberry plants here are not as vigor and the leaves are not as thicker as what you see in other strawberry farms here in Riyadh. Even the fruits, they are smaller, but they are so sweet. And because they are practicing here the organic way of farming. They are not using synthetic fertilizers and they are not using pesticides. That's why the fruits of the strawberry here is so sweet. This is the coffee shop and this is where you're going to bring the strawberry fruits if you want them to make you a fresh strawberry shake. Now I'm here inside and I'm about to ask them to make us a fresh strawberry shake. This one, I've shown to you the blending of the strawberry fruits, and now it is served. This one. So you come to this farm. Okay, without adding anything, after we requested them to make us a fresh strawberry juice. Now this is the finished product. Finished product. You see? Okay. Wow. And I get pure, 100% pure strawberry, sweet. Okay, my friend, please invite our viewers to come to your farm.
Okay, we open in week 4 days, starting from Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We opening time from 4 p.m. until 11 p.m.
Okay guys, may I repeat that this farm is open only during Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays from 4 o'clock in the afternoon until 11 o'clock in the evening. After blending the strawberry fruits, you have now in your hands the strawberry shake. Now you can sit down inside the coffee shop, or if you want, you can sit down here outside just beside the coffee shop. And if you want looking around while enjoying the shake, you can also climb to the roof deck veranda of this farm. Now let me show you around. Other than picking strawberry, you can also enjoy other activities here. To the left and the right side, you see there are tents. These are the tents during winter season. And other than this, they also have the tents for summer seasons. During summer seasons like today, you can use this tent for you to enjoy doing the picnics with your friends or family here inside the farm. And for the kids, of course, the kids will enjoy also because inside the farm, they have the children's playground. Again, guys, I'm introducing to you the Wathana Farm here in Karj, Riyadh. They are open to the public during Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays only from 4 o'clock in the afternoon to 11 o'clock in the evening.